In this video, we will be looking at the sets that we prepared to help you teach about cooking and food, also introducing the subject or revising the subject of family members. You will find one bigger set on cooking verbs. Here you've got baking a cake, Sister Sue is baking a cake, frying an egg, Mummy is frying an egg, mixing the salad, Grandpa is mixing salad, boiling water, Grandma is boiling water, grilling sausages, Daddy is grilling sausages. And also two separate sets for peeling a banana. We can see a puzzle here of Fred peeling the banana, and also stirring soup, Grandma is stirring soup. Apart from the flashcards, we also prepared 4 sets for teaching children cooking verbs, which is frying, and here you've got the frying pan and the ingredients they can fry. We have a mixing bowl for mixing fruit salad. We have a pot with boiling water for boiling vegetables, and here we've got the vegetables. And also we have a chopping board with a knife that children particularly enjoy using, with some fruit and vegetables to be chopped. All these sets can be used together or separately. You can mix and match as you wish. There is a variety of games you can play with the cards. For example, you can start by, once the children memorize the sentences, hiding the figures of the family and asking the children questions. For example, who is grilling sausages? And the children will see from the picture that this is Daddy, and instead of just saying Daddy, we try to ask them to say the full sentence. Daddy is grilling sausages. Who is boiling water? The same, the children can guess. Grandma is boiling water. Grandpa is mixing a salad. Who is cooking? Who's frying an egg? Mummy is frying an egg, etc., etc. Obviously, if the children don't know, you can show them the card and reinforce the sentence, make them repeat, so they know what you want from them. The most simple game or way of asking a question is the yes or no game. We can simply ask a question. Is Sue baking a cake? Yes. Is Mummy grilling sausages? No. Is Mummy frying an egg? Yes. Is Grandma mixing the salad? No. Is Grandpa mixing the salad? Yes. Another, more advanced variation of asking a question would obviously be, what is Daddy doing? Daddy is grilling sausages. What is Mummy doing? Mummy is frying an egg, etc., etc. So here are the interactive sets, and they are designed to get the children to really get involved and revise the food vocabulary and also the cooking verbs that we've been practicing. So it consists of 4 parts, and you can use it in one lesson, or you can introduce them one by one in various configurations. For example, here we've got the frying pan, and we can either ask the children to choose the ingredients. For example, they can pick a sausage and say, a sausage, I want to fry a sausage, and they put it on the frying pan. An egg, I want to fry an egg, you put it into the frying pan. Or we can ask the children, for example, Mike, what can you fry? And Mike can choose a sausage, say, I can fry a sausage, puts the sausage on the frying pan. The same with the boiling. We can we can have all the vegetables here. What you have to remember as well, we have more food resources in the food section with the flashcards and also memory cards that you can use to make this set a little bit bigger, richer. So, for example, it's the same way about this boiling set. Mike, what would you like to boil? I want to boil potatoes. We put potato in. Would you like to boil a carrot? Yes or no? He puts the carrot in. If he doesn't want to put the carrot in, we ask, what would you like to boil? I would like to boil some parsley or parsnips, and we put it in. Yes. This set is all about chopping, so we have a selection of fruit and vegetables we could use with this one. The children choose, say, tomato. Would you like to chop tomato? Yes, we slice it. Sorry, it's slicing, not chopping. But no, you can chop it or you can slice it. You can do whatever you want. So you can slice or chop the tomatoes. And the last one is a fruit salad. So we have a selection of fruit. As I said, we've got more fruit in the food section that you can add to it if you have a bigger group of children. And again, you can ask the children to pick a fruit. For example, Mary, which fruit would you like? A strawberry. Okay, put a strawberry in a salad. Yes, and we can put various ingredients into the salad. When we have all the ingredients laid out and all the cooking activities, we can also ask the children what we can do with various ingredients. For example, we can ask Mike, can you fry a sausage? Yes, I can. Can you put potato in a fruit salad? No, I can't. Can you slice a banana? Yes, you can. Can you slice a kiwi? Yes, you can. Can you boil a strawberry? No, you can't, etc., etc. You can mix and match all the fruit and vegetables and all the other ingredients in here, and as well you can add extras from our food flashcards.